Good day, everyone. Today, are going to discuss one of the topic of the helical spring. So RFBD shows three spring, two spring for steel, and one spring for bronze. The FBD shows horizontal connection of spring in beam. So, we are given a quantity of steel N or turns is equals to 24, diameter 10 mm, and mean diameter 100 mm, and the G or modulus of rigidity of steel is 83 times 10 raised to 6 kPa. And for bronze, given N is equals to 48, D 20 mm, and mean diameter 150 mm, and modulus of rigidity for bronze is 42 gigapascal. And we are given a mass of 50 kilogram. First, we are going to make the unit in Newton. So to make it Newton, we have to multiply the mass to the gravity of 9.81 meter per second square to make the unit Newton. So mass times gravity is equals to weight. So our weight now is 490.5 Newton. We have to first of all are required to solve this tau max at steel 1, steel 2, and steel bronze. So we have to solve first the force at PS1 or force at steel 1 and force at steel 2 and force at bronze. So first, since three unknown, so we have to make three equation. So first, our first equation na come up na to is summation of forces at y is equals to 0, assuming upward direction positive. So P is 1 from the FBD, P is 1 plus this is the direction of P is 1, force 1 at steel, and direction of the force 2 at steel and bronze, all upward direction. So by summation of forces at y is equals to 0, assuming upward direction positive, so P is 1 plus P is 2 plus PB minus the weight for 90.5 Newton is equals to 0. So we have now the equation 1. So second, we have more two equations to identify. So by summation of moment at C, this is A, B, and C. By summation at moment at C, assuming clockwise direction positive, so P is 1 times in kabilang tamo, we already know how to solve in moment diagram. So P is 1 times 3 meter plus P is 2 times 2 meter minus 490.5 Newton times 1.5 meter is equals to 0. Y is 1.5 meter. We use here because the weight is approximately in the center of the beam. So to deform this, weight yun is sa center yun na siya mo mangusog dito. So nata equation 2. For solving equation 3, we are going to use the relationship of deformation in compatibility equation. So we do this diagram to show to show that bronze are taas siya deformation or long in deformation. So, in relationship, solve for deformation 2. First deformation, deformation is in steel 2 minus deformation at steel 1 over 1, and is equals to deformation at bronze minus deformation at steel 1 over 3. And cross multiply, we come up this equation. 3 times deformation at steel 2 minus 3 times deformation at steel 1 is equals to deformation at bronze minus deformation at steel 1. And we have to equate this, and we have to equate with this. We have to transpose this on the other side to equal equation to 0. Then from the deformation formula is equals to 64 times P times R cubed times N over modulus of rigidity times D raised to 4. So we have to substitute the formula and the values. So this is now after substituting the formula and the values, this is now our third equation. Negative 600 over 83 times force in steel 1 plus 900 over 83 times force at steel 2 minus 675 over 224 times force at bronze is equals to 0. So this is now our equation 3. So since we came up with 3 equations, and 3 unknown, so the 3 unknown are solvable by equating our calculator. And now nasolve na nato force at steel 1, force at steel 2, and force at bronze, which is equal to 144.78 Newton at force at steel 1, and force at steel 2 is equals to 150.72 Newton, and force at bronze is equals to 195.01 Newton. Continuation. After solving the force at steel 1, steel 2, and force at bronze, we're going to solve now the maximum shearing stress. So the formula for maximum shearing stress, or tau max, is equals to 16 times P times mean radius over pi times D cube times 1 plus D over 4 times mean radius. Substituting the value for tau max at S1, so our tau max at steel 1 is equals to 38.71 megapascal. And for steel 2, substituting the value in the formula, so our value now for tau max at steel 2 is 40.3 megapascal. And for bronze, substituting the value for the formula of tau max at bronze, so we came up with the answer of tau max at bronze equals to 9.93 megapascal.